Welcome to Mishov Markets. Today we'll be exploring on how to withdraw your funds. Firstly, log into your Mishov dashboard. Secondly, from your dashboard, go to Finance tab. From here, you can go to Mishov Wallet and you can withdraw instantly. You could also go to the Withdrawal tab, which you will receive a warning, no withdrawal destination found. This is because you haven't registered a withdrawal destination before. You can hit Submit and register for your withdrawal fund. You could also go to the address book and create a withdrawal destination from here. From here, you can create and remove withdrawal destinations. After hitting Reject, you can write the description for why you're rejecting it and hit Submit. You can see that your withdrawal destination is rejected successfully. Let's go back to the Withdrawal tab and from here withdraw the amount that you want. Make sure to read the terms and conditions carefully. From here you can choose the payment method. Make sure to choose the right and valid one. Enter the amount that you want to be withdrawing and then hit Submit. After hitting Submit, you will be redirected to another page where you will continue the procedure. And there you will have Go Back to Dashboard button where you can come back to the dashboard. In the dashboard, in the Transaction tab, you will have the details of your withdrawals. Check the status of the withdrawal and here wait for the broker's confirmation.